Good day guys, welcome once again to my channel. Today we are going to replace Pavilion G6 keyboard. It's very simple to replace, so just stay tuned to the end of this video and you will learn how to simply fix or replace Pavilion G6 keyboard. So the first thing I did was to check for the screw at the back of the laptop that they used to hold the keyboard, I check and it seems somebody else have already replaced the keyboard or tampered with the screw, so there was no screw. So I go ahead and remove the clip that they used to clip the keyboard from the front, and this is it. I'll take my time and do this. I pick up my knife, then I remove the clip. I remove the first one, the second one. Be careful when removing this clip, especially when using your knife or any other screwdriver to do it, so that it will not hit the screen. So that I will not hit the screen. You see what I did? And I remove the next one and the next one. Alright, remove the next one. So after removing, I will try and pull up the keyboard. Well, it seems something, maybe screw is still holding it at the back. I'll check again. Take your time and do this so that you will not damage any other part of the laptop. So after checking, I see there is no screw, so I'll go ahead and remove the keyboard. Alright, so this is it. I unclip it, then I bring in the new one. Bring in the new one. In this new one, you will see that there are some films or nylon that they used to seal the flares, so I will remove them and then clip it to the panel. Alright, it's done. So I will now place the keyboard in the frame. Very good. I will press it for it to clip back. Take your time and do this. It's just very simple. Just clip it back. That is it. Very good. Alright, so supposing there is a clip in the back, what I will do is just tighten the screw back, but since there is no screw, I'll go ahead and cover the back cover, and that is just it. After covering it, I will put my battery. Take your time and do this. There used to be some errors when fixing the cover. I will make sure that the cover lap well. Take your time. I can remove it and place it again. You can still remove it and place it again and again till it will cover properly. Take your time and do this. I will do it until it will cover properly. Don't rush. Good. Okay, the battery is done. This is done. I'm done. Thanks for watching.